Green flame. Red. A gliding lady in red, such a beauty to pause for and behold. She beholds a dancing fire, and fire secretly witnesses stories hidden from others, waiting for something special. Sharing family warmth during frosty winters. Talking while eyes are saying much more. Searching for a peaceful moment amidst busy spans, a moment ending before whiskey ends. Spending time with friends as if it's an unrepeatable gift. Whether off or on, a bio fireplace fits your mood whenever you are with a child, with a beloved one, holding hands gently, letting those feelings live, with smiling friends giving you smiles back, with that lady in red, you're finally dared to ask for a dance. A 16-inch fire creates the serene ambiance, keeping your special stories to itself. Just open the kit, choose a flame color, press the button. Tornadex, friendly to personal mood and global climate.
The quality of our air is influenced by the places we live in. Breathing healthy air and staying in contact with nature makes us feel better, happier, more productive, and live better. But unfortunately, we spend almost 90% of our time indoors, and even if we don't realize it, indoor air can be really polluted. The World Health Organization has in fact stated that indoor air can be up to 5 times more polluted than outdoor air. But how can we improve the quality of the air and live better? With NATEDE, Clary's new product. It's been created to bring healthy fresh air and be the most beautiful design object you will ever have.
On the market right now, there are only ugly and traditional air purifiers that work with expensive filters that have to be replaced often. So the intuition was to use nature.
Some plants, in fact, have a special ability to eliminate the most common toxic agents in the air, thanks to microorganisms that live in their roots. NATEDE, thanks to a technology unit, amplifies these properties.
We created the most amazing natural air purifier on the market. And thanks to your support, it was an incredible success. More than 2,000 bakers from over 52 countries in the world believed in us and are now loving the product.
We won several awards, and most of all, our team grew from only 3 of us to almost 20 people.
So we really grew up, and also Clary grew up. And here we are, ready to launch the new Clary.
Let's start with design. NATEDE is extremely up-to-date, elegant and beautiful. Obviously, we made it eco-friendly and recyclable with an astonishing new biomaterial. R&D goes on. We are working with the best laboratories and universities in Europe. We also added a new incredible filtration process, photocatalysis. NATEDE is now able to eliminate VOCs, bacteria, virus, fine particulates, and odors. And remember, there are no filters to change, and it's the only product that creates fresh new air. It's faster. We worked a lot with fluid dynamics experts. And this improved the purification performance range a lot. And also the capacity of the self-watering system has increased. NATEDE's technology unit is now more powerful and silent. We also redesigned and added more sensors. You will have the best ones to measure your air quality. And now, with the new LED interface, you just have to take a look at NATEDE to know about the air quality in your space. The app is great. Check the air quality in real time or the analytics, and much more. Thanks to Wi-Fi and now also Bluetooth, NATEDE can be connected to really everything. It will be always with you and monitor the situation for you. What hasn't changed? The importance of plants and nature, of course, and our mission to find new solutions to bring fresh air, technology, and beautiful design for you.
So come with us in this journey. We need your help. Please support us and back our project on Kickstarter. Thank you.
Green flame. Red. A gliding lady in red, such a beauty to pause for and behold. She beholds a dancing fire, and fire secretly witnesses stories hidden from others, waiting for something special. Sharing family warmth during frosty winters. Talking while eyes are saying much more. Searching for a peaceful moment amidst busy spans, a moment ending before whiskey ends. Spending time with friends as if it's an unrepeatable gift. Whether off or on, a bio fireplace fits your mood whenever you are with a child, with a beloved one, holding hands gently, letting those feelings live. With smiling friends giving you smiles back. With that lady in red, you're finally dared to ask for a dance. A 16-inch fire creates the serene ambiance, keeping your special stories to itself. Just open the kit, choose a flame color, press the button. Tornadex, friendly to personal mood and global climate.
Ladies, when you think about how we function in today's world, you realize just how much relies on battery life. Whether it's your smartphone or your tablet, we can't function without them. The same goes for ourselves. We lose sleep, we overexert ourselves, and we constantly stress out. I am happy to introduce you to iRejoy. iRejoy, the world's first power bank massager. A power bank can charge devices such as your iPhone, tablet, or iPod without needing to be plugged into a wall.
There's a lot of jumping from class to class, and sometimes I forget to charge my cell phone. And the iRejoy is nice and compact, so I can keep it in my bag, and now I don't have to worry about being stranded.
As if that weren't exciting enough, we've added a 10-speed personal massage feature with a quiet ultrasonic motor, all in a small portable tube. And it's small enough to fit into your purse, bedside table, or travel pack, ensuring you will always be fully charged.
My job has me traveling all the time, so it's really convenient to have iRejoy with me because my phone always dies. It has 10 different massage speeds that feel pretty divine. I'm able to plug on the go while I'm at the airport, in my car.
Relax your tired muscles, release healing endorphins, and tap into your body's natural ability to heal itself. The benefits are endless, and anyone can benefit. Some of the main features are the beautiful ergonomic floral design, crafted with soft touch silicone. Special pouch for storage or to discreetly charge your devices with included retractable cable. It comes in 4 colors, luscious red, bliss pink, happy blue, and mystic purple.
Personal massagers and power banks can both be expensive, but with iRejoy you get both features for half the price. Why not have a device that can double task?
The iRejoy is simple to operate. The massage feature can be activated by simply pressing the power button twice. The power button switches between the 10 different massage modes whenever it is pressed. To turn off the device, press and hold power for 3 seconds. Life is better when everything is charged, and there's only one product that does this. Recharge, enjoy, iRejoy.
For the outdoorsman, there's nothing better than Champion power equipment. Generators, inverters, winches, water pumps, log splitters. Anything you need to give you an extra hand, provide some reliable power, or get you out of a jam in a moment's notice. Champion generators are perfect for taking on trips or giving you peace of mind with home standby backup power. Our winches give you all the pulling power you need. And our water pumps and log splitters are the reliable tools you need to get the job done. The Champion Power Equipment family of products. Power, dependability, and peace of mind.
Hey, Aaron.
Hey, pal.
Do you want to hear a fun fact?
Sure.
I have your fortune here. Someday soon you will order the extra spicy, but later wish you'd ordered the mild.
Likely.
Meet Chibo. He looks, listens, and learns.
This Dynaglow 5-burner stainless steel natural gas grill offers quality, performance, and versatility. With up to 764 total square inches of cooking space and 79,000 total BTUs. The cooking system is surrounded by a double-walled, heavy-gauge steel enameled firebox and is powered by 5 stainless steel burners that provide up to 55,000